Hi students, today we discuss chemistry lesson unit number 3, polymer chemistry. See, observe the pictures. What is this? We use everyday life in our surroundings, these materials. Okay, so polymer chemistry has a positive impact on our everyday life. Many of the materials used are linked to polymer chemistry. When you get ready for school, you wear clothes, shoes, brush your teeth and take a school bag. So did you ever ask yourself what these items are made of? They are created from fibers. Fibers are made up of long chains of natural or synthetic polymers. Understand? We use day-to-day life, various things. Understand? As a society, we are consuming more and more. The more things we buy, more things we throw away. 30 years ago, most of the waste in Tamil Nadu is biodegradable or easily recyclable. Today, it is more complex. Many of the materials are non-biodegradable and difficult to recycle. For example, in the past, people used natural materials such as cotton, silk, jute fibers. Today, we use a lot of synthetic materials such as plastics. Understand? So, in this lesson, we learn about polymers. So, different types of fibers, plastics, waste we produce and how we should manage it. So, what are polymers? The word polymer is of Greek origin. Poly means many and mer means basic smaller unit. Poly means many, mer means basic smaller unit. Polymers are very long chain made up of repeating smaller molecules called monomers that are joined together by covalent bonds and process is called polymerization. The diagram below shows repeating monomers joined to form a polymer. See, this is monomer joined to follow polymer. Understand? So look at this monomer to polymer. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, polyvinyl chloride is a common plastic used for water pipes. The monomer and polymer PVC as shown in the figure. See, monomer plus monomer give polymer. Understand? Look at the pictures. Polymer can be classified into natural and synthetic fiber polymers. Can you imagine that your body produces and you are made up of natural polymer? The most familiar polymer that we use in our day-to-day life are man-made or synthetic. So what is natural polymers? So natural polymers are found in living system and include proteins and carbohydrates in our bodies and cellulose is in wood and paper. They play a very important role in our living things to provide structural materials and molecules needed for life process. Protein polymers are made up of amino acids monomer. 20 different kinds of amino acids. Different combinations of amino acid monomer create many different protein polymers. Examples of protein polymer include DNA, enzymes, silk, skin, hair, fingernails, feather, and fur. So examples of carbohydrate polymers include cellulose, chitin, and lignin found in plants. Cellulose is made up of sugar molecules and is the main component of cotton used in clothing. Chitin is found in cell walls of fungi as mushrooms and exoskeletons insects such as crabs, spiders. Lignin consists of a network of polymer important giving structure plants. So synthetic polymer man-made polymers produced by using raw materials from petroleum, oil and gas. Plastics, synthetic polymers. When oils and gas is processed to make petrol, ethylene and propylene monomers are removed as by-products. We have already seen polymer such as polyvinyl chloride, PVC pipes made up of many monomers joined together. Ethylene and propylene are building block monomers that make up to different types of plastics. Understand? Propylene and ethylene. So based on this nature of monomers, we are arranged in the polymer and the characteristic of final polymer. Okay. So they are grouped into different categories such as fibers, plastics, protein. Let us study about few of them in the following section in next class. Okay. Read the textbook and understand the concept. Okay.